Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your real estate deals with Redfin step by step clearly. To protect your real estate deals with Redfin, start by creating an account on their platform. Visit the Redfin website and click on the sign up option. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and contact number. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once your account is active, log into the Redfin platform. Familiarize yourself with the available tools and resources. Use the search feature to find properties in your desired area. Examine the market insights provided for each listing. Take note of the property history and any price changes. Utilize Redfin's analysis tools to evaluate property value. Compare similar homes in the neighborhood for better context. When you find a property of interest, make use of the Save feature. This will allow you to organize your deals and return to them easily. Next, reach out to a Redfin agent for professional guidance. Discuss your specific needs and the properties you are interested in. Ask your agent about market trends and any potential risks. Set up alerts for new listings that fit your criteria. This will help you stay informed and act quickly when necessary. If you decide to move forward with a property, initiate an offer through Redfin. Ensure you've conducted full due diligence on the property. Request all necessary disclosures and seller's documentation. Consider obtaining a home inspection through Redfin's recommended vendors. This step is crucial to uncover any hidden issues with the property. Once satisfied, finalize the offer documentation with your agent. Negotiate terms that protect your interests and investment. After your offer is accepted, keep communication open with your agent. Discuss the closing process and any contingencies that safeguard your deal. Ensure all contracts are reviewed by a qualified attorney if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.